Another thing I wanted to show you is that you can edit your images or your words, anything to have a link to it. So here I have my logo, and I have made my logo to link to my About page. And all I did to do this was I went to my About page, which is here. I just copied my that address and then went over to where to go here, and I just pasted that in. And so now if people click on here, they will get my website, or they will get my About page, so they could learn more about me potentially. So if we go over here, so let's look at that, the entrance animations again. And now if they come here, they click on that and it goes to my home page. So coming back to here, also just taking a look at the editing of here, you do have the normal state and you have the hover state. So you can put in a hover animation. So I had pulse grow, but I could do anything. How about I could do that again? I could make it a longer, but it would take longer for it to do that. So I have different things that I can do here. All right, so that's just some things that I can do. Make that just a little bit bigger. All right, so I am going to update again.